Hello, hi, and welcome to my channel Super Linux. This is Rani Ahmed with you. Now, in this video, guys, we're going to show you how to install and use this 2-inch telescope eyepiece on this microscope. This microscope, which has this tiny hole. Okay, this is 2-inch here. Talking about like this is from outside is 2-inch. Here it's a little bit lesser than this. Okay, you could say 48 millimeters. Okay, see, this is we have to uninstall it because we're gonna use it as an example. Okay, of the methods on how to install the eyepieces in general. So this is for a telescope, for a microscope eyepiece. This is the hole here from inside is 23.2 millimeters, which is for these eyepieces. Okay, so this is the eyepiece of a microscope that goes like this. Okay, same can go here like that. Now I have two methods for installing it. The telescope eyepiece, this one, and you can do also. I made another video if you want to see it, to install the 1.2-inch eyepiece. It's based on the same idea. So this one is an adapter which I had to ask for somebody to cut it for me. This is a custom made. This is here for this size. Okay, so the eyepiece's size, and then you can later install the eyepiece like this directly. Okay. Okay, I think it should be a little bit even. Oh, it's okay, it's okay. Yeah, widened, okay. And then like this. So it will be like this in the end. Okay, and then you can see whatever you want to see inside the microscope. Okay, I can install it completely. Okay, there's nothing installed here, like any sample. Okay. But this can also let me install it over here too. Okay, so yeah, let's focus it a little bit. I know you're not seeing what I'm seeing. Okay, just for a quick. Come on, yeah, here it is. See, it's sort of focused. Okay, we can just go zoom more, and yeah, that's it. So let's zoom out. Okay, see, it's too far. As you can see, it's too far. Like from here to the bottom towards here, it's too far. So let's see what we can do also to make it shorter. Okay. Now we have this expensive adapter. Okay. First of all, we have this adapter which can take the place of the 2-inch filter, color filter of a telescope. Okay. We have this ring. This is very expensive ring, by the way. This is $20. Okay, only this ring. Okay, this can take from outside this hole, which is the color filters of the 1.2 inch eyepieces, which is 28 millimeters from here, the diameter inside. Okay, and from inside this ring, okay, remember, don't bend it, okay? It's very thin. From inside is 25 millimeters, so you have the range of around 3 millimeters here. The thickness of this is just 3 millimeters, okay? So what you're gonna do, also I want to remind you, this one here and plus this one, okay, when you screw them together, this one can go towards the inside, there's nothing can hold it, okay? It's like where it can make a barrier for it, so it doesn't exceed the thickness of this adapter, okay? So it just keeps moving to the inside, okay? So just install it. So we have to remove it here, and this 25 millimeters is the C mount over here, okay? So what we're gonna do is just install the C side first. Okay, by the way, there's a groove over here, okay? Well, you can see the groove now. Okay, so there is this groove, okay, which helps you on uninstalling it, okay? Okay, cool. I'll just that like this. Okay, enough is enough, okay? Just because I don't want to lose it inside. I just don't want the eyepiece just to fall directly and hit the lens over here, okay? So this is the eyepiece, okay? Now you can see the change because now it's shorter from here to here. The distance is shorter than before, so the focus will change. So you'll have to see the focusing now, okay? And estimate them, but and feel the focusing because this means that I will have here much more range, much more freedom in focusing, okay? Now, this is zooming from the phone, by the way, and I'm changing the position of the phone. I can go farther or further if you want. Oh, I think if no, there's some place where you can just raise the phone and take that picture where it can fill the whole screen of the phone, okay? And here if I want to change a little bit in the position of the slide is also just fine, okay? This is something from human histology, okay? Some kind of muscle, of course, it seems so. Yeah, it's a human tongue. It's written on the slide, human tongue. I want to know. Okay, unless I read the label on the slide. But it's a muscle, as you can see. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. Okay, I was also thinking of, like, soon I will be getting maybe by tomorrow or the day next. Okay, I'll be getting a T adapter, which is a T adapter is something like this part, okay, which is this one, but this one's for telescopes, okay, because here the diameter, the insertion diameter of this, here the diameter here is 1.25 inch for an usual telescope. Here is the M42, okay. Now there is a one that's similar to it, that's M28 here, and here M32, which is the eyepieces side. So this means I can install this, okay, on this, okay, on this side even, or even from the top as you saw before, without using something like this. Yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like our channel. Okay, don't forget our lives every Sunday, every Saturday and Friday in the evening of Beirut time zone. Okay, and that's it. Goodbye.